has a lot of mascaras. Do you like animals? Here has a lot of mascaras that they use and they put away and they don't throw, and it's just all over the place. I am definitely that one. I'm guilty, yes. So in this video, I'm going to show you where you can put all these old but clean mascara wands into a good cause. Wildlife animals? I guess you could use this to clean on the sides. If I were to be an animal, I have my ear, my nose. Quarantine, shelter in place. Do you like animals? Day 17, could be 22, 23. It's for the wildlife. Honestly, I don't even know what day it is, but I'm gonna be honest. The first week to a week and a half, I was seriously unmotivated. Like I really, it took me a while for this to sink in, because living from a normal lifestyle to being shelter in place, having a curfew, limited places to visit, people to see, hug, touch. I mean, oh my gosh. So seriously guys, on this, I think it's day 23, and I finally got myself together and I was like, you know what? How do we get motivated? What do we do from here? Besides filming this current video, I just filmed a current get unready with me nighttime skincare routine, as well as a makeup look for like the spring. But prior to that, I was just like stuck in a rut. I was like, it's like depressing because we don't get to work, do what we love to do, and just changing our lifestyle in a heartbeat. It was just like, serious rude awakening, life-changing situation, because the world will never be the same again, let's just face it. But we're doing what we can, you know, as a community, staying home, building the world again, nice and healthy. It's gonna take some time. So I have to learn to be creative here at home to figure out what I can do to keep myself motivated, keep my social media platforms active, and just get ready for that rush of weddings and things that we can get back to doing when that time is right. So I was actually cleaning up my makeup room, and I remember about 2 years ago, my cousin sent me a link. I'm sure some of you guys may know, but it was new to me at the time. So 2 years ago, she had sent me a link where I can send my used mascara wands. So basically, I had kept these old mascaras in the tube still, and I placed it somewhere, and literally I just totally forgot about it just until the other week. And I said, let's clean these guys. So what I did was I took the old mascaras, I took them out of the tube and cleaned each individual, oh my god, they're falling out. Each mascara out of the tube. I hand washed them nice and thoroughly with gloves. When I take the wand out of the tube, you can remove the excess product if you like with a paper towel. Just gonna take some Dawn soap, and I believe they use this because it's the most gentle, and you're just gonna clean the wand itself. So these are a whole bunch of different mascaras that I had. These are like trial size ones, there's some full size ones, and they're all different brands. And it's kind of neat to see the actual colors of the wands from each brand. This is a Givenchy, this one's Maybelline, and this is Lancome. No, this is Lancome, and this one is, oh, this one's also Lancome too. See that? So I still have a whole bunch of mascaras that I'm still working on that I'm not ready to clean them yet. So once I'm ready to gather all my mascara wands, I'm gonna package them nicely and ship them out to the wildlife. So the company is called Wildlife for Wands, or you can also send it to the Appalachian Wild. So they actually take our old mascara wands and they use them to clean little tiny fur animals out in the wildlife. Since this link was sent to me about 2 years ago, I had to search the internet to make sure that they're even accepting wands. I just wanted to send it to them. I want to say they're only receiving these used wands in the mail February or March and October. I will correct myself in a link down below, or I'll put it somewhere on the screen here. But I guess they receive so many mascara wands from people, so they're only limiting it like 2 times a year. They are located in the States, in North Carolina. I thought this would be a great cause for us to send our used mascara wands instead of disposing them in the trash. So this company is also accepting donations, so if you guys want to donate to them, this is not sponsored. I just love animals and I felt like I could do a good cause, circle of life. When I'm done using my products, I can send it to them so they can help clean an animal in need. So I'm going to show you how to clean the mascara properly as per requested from the website. Want to take the wand out of the tube. You can remove the excess product if you like with a paper towel. Just going to take some Dawn soap, and I believe they use this because it's the most gentle, and you're just going to clean the wand itself. Then after you're done, you want to place them in a Ziploc bag, seal it, and you're going to mail it to the addresses provided. So like I mentioned, the wands are really small. It's easy for them to clean each animal, remove excess oil that could be stuck on their fur or on their skin, bugs that may be stuck on them, infections, even mud, and any other contaminations that they may have gotten by living outdoors. So again, this will be a great cause for an animal that's in need of a good cleaning. So if you guys have extra mascara wands and you feel like you don't want to throw them away and you want them to go for a good cause, go ahead and find yourself a Ziploc bag, some clean mascara wands, and go ahead and ship them to the address I have here for you guys. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I felt like this was a very useful video that we can do something for the world as we're stuck in here since we're not able to go out. But you guys know I love animals and this is for a great cause. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!